बल्लेबाजी के लिए आए हैं दोनों प्रतिभाशाली खिलाड़ी जो अभिमन्यु ईश्वरन, जिन्होंने बैक टू बैक 2 शतक लगाए थे दिलीप ट्रॉफी में, और ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ के बारे में हम सब जानते हैं। और इधर हैं अजिंक्य रहाणे।
Really good shot. Gorgeous cover drive to finish the over.
It's gone over the leg side because there's no big turn on this pitch.
बाहरी किनारा, सीधा स्लिप में जुनेद।
Rutraj Gaikwad gone for 9, it's 40 for 1.
बेहतरीन कलाइयों का उपयोग, एक और चौका।
There was a bit of a half chance in the air for a bit. Ishwaran must have had his heart in his mouth, but for now, he's reached another 50 in first class cricket. Just keeps churning the runs on. Head down, keep scoring runs.
ये बेहतर शॉट है ना, ऐसे शॉट्स खेलने जरूरी, जहां मौका मिले उस मौके को छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए। ये तो लेग स्टंप के काफी बाहर।
Just wondering where that ball pitched. Timer on. Rahane in deep thought. I reckon he will go for it. He won't. He will just go for lunch instead. He had the choice of the DRS and the lunch. He's chosen the latter.
तीसरे दिन की बात करें, पहले सत्र में 27 ओवर हुए, 91 रन।
Abhimanyu Ishwaran has decided that he will take the attack to the opposition, and rightly so. He's cleared the boundary ropes by a big margin. Stump to stump, 9 inches, a bit of a fumble. And that's enough to get to the boundary. Good timing. Wow. Hit the ball on its head.
और इसी के साथ दूसरी सफलता मिलती हुई और अंपायर को आउट देने में कोई परेशानी नहीं हुई। IDFC फर्स्ट बैंक DRS।
Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets, umpire's call. Original decision is out. Khalid, stay with your decision of out. We'll let you know when you're on screen. You're on screen, signal out.
आउट होकर पवेलियन लौटते हुए 127 पर 2।
आप मुंबई को 1 इंच देंगे, वो कम से कम बहुत कुछ ले लेंगे आपसे।
Big appeal, and up goes the finger. He strikes. He strikes at a very critical time as the partnership was building up. Good use of the feet. He's known for that. Ishan Kishan excellently converted to a full toss and put away for a 4.
Oh, outs. And he completes his 100. It's a iffy shot. It's a streaky shot. But it doesn't matter. They all count. Whether they come with the middle of the bat, edge of the bat. Another 100 to Abhishek. Abhimanyu Ishwaran's name. 2600 to his name.
कम ऑन, गेंदबाज इतनी मेहनत कर रहा है, हाफ चांस को कन्वर्ट करना चाहिए। अच्छा शॉट खेला ये, अब गैप वहां मिल गया। 196 पे 3 है और चाय का समय आ चुका है आज, ये तीसरे दिन।
A great batting performance by Abhimanyu Ishwaran. 108, not out.
ओवरद सम्स गेंदबाजी करेंगे, जो रफ की हम चर्चा सुबह भी कर रहे थे। ऑफ स्टंप के थोड़ा बाहर, यही सोच और रन्स आएंगे यहां पर।
That'll be 4. He's got the shot in his repertoire of late. The reverse sweep.
Catches the call well before. Catches the call and he's been snapped. Too close to the body to be playing the forceful shot. Ishan Kishan, another batter, getting set and getting out.
Streaky. Very unlike Ishwaran.
ना ये तो रन आएंगे.
Another one. Another 4. He is at home. He is in his home ground.
That part of the pitch will be 4. $150 for Abhimanyu Ishwaran. And it's been a fabulous one. Mr. Consistent. He's been getting big scores. Strikes it exceptionally well. Jurel. I hear somebody say catch. Well, the catch can't be taken by anybody because there's nobody in the stands. 74 overs have been bowled, so 6 overs before the second new ball becomes available. And all of that will happen tomorrow. As we come to the end of the day's play, 289 for 4. The star with the bat has been Abhimanyu Ishwaran, 151 not out. Jurel is batted well for his 30. Slowly but steadily, another partnership building up. 61 the partnership.